Here we are in the car. I just hear a click sound. Then you see the lights being blinking. The easiest way to check whether the battery is down or not is that you turn on the headlights. You don't have to put the key. Just you just turn on the headlights and you could see that the lights are not dim or something. They're pretty bright. And so I got to know that it's not the battery problem, but then when I called AAA to get the battery checked, they tried to jump start it using their vehicle, but it still didn't start. I still could hear the click sound. The AAA guy suggested to replace the battery because the battery health is not good. I had gone to Costco because I had Costco membership. I replaced it, brought it back, then tried again. Still the same click sound. By the way, I also checked the engine oil to see if the engine oil is completely out, not making the piston go up and down, like basically the engine is stuck. Thankfully it's not the situation because engine oil was okay, like it's up to full, and that's why I thought it would be the starter problem. I got the starter from AutoZone parts, so let me give it a try to replace it to see if it works. Hi guys, I just opened the hood. And here is the starter. We tried to hit hard on it and then tried to jump start, but still it didn't help. And that's why we're here to replace that starter to see if it's going to work. Let's do this. So we're going to start the repair by taking out the battery, followed by some other parts. Then we try to remove this starter right here. So let's remove the battery first. Sale. Okay. Straight with the sounds out. Let's take out the battery. Give it to me. Careful. So this is the cruise control. The big one. So let's remove that as well. Wait. To remove this, we have 3 bolts. I think 10 millimeter. I guess. What's on that? Okay, the same 10 millimeter. We have the cruise control out. This is the starter right here, and we're going to replace it. Let's gain access to the bolt here. Bolt right here in the front. So there's a cap. Open the cap, and then you have the bolt here. I have this bolt removed, and now we have this electrical connection here, so we just need to press on it, then remove it. There we go. Now we have the electrical connections out, and we just need to unbolt a screw over here on the left. That will move this part. Similarly, there will be another bolt on this side. We need to remove that as well. So let's get it up. So guys, we have this bolt right here. We have this bolt right here. Almost there. It's a pretty big bolt. Ta-da! We have one more similar on the back side. Alright guys, we are almost there. Almost there. Trying to get the bolt out. So just these 2 bolts are holding up the whole starter, so that's why they're pretty tight. Yes, the bolt is out. Let's take it out carefully. There we go. Today, done. Now the starter should be free. There we go. Just move it slightly up, and then we take it out. Yeah, that's it. So let's take it slightly up like this. There we go. So we place it the same way that we removed. Tangled in between the wires. We got it out. Yes. Now let's compare the parts. Here is the new one on the right and the old one on the left. Everything looks like, let's see, okay, like this. Okay. Now, let's keep the new one back in the same place. Already we got the new part ready. So let's keep the same way that we removed. We go like this and then it holds up there. So we bolt these two, this one and the one on the back, and that's it. And then we plug the electrical connections. So this thing basically goes in that hole right there, the big one. So I'm just going to install it. Already we have mounted this in place. Now we just need to put the bolts. Let's put the back one first. Alright, we have fixed this bolt right here, the new one, and we also hooked up the electrical connection, and we are now putting back the cruise control. Let's do that. Alright, we kept this one back. Okay, now the battery goes back. Positive on this side, says plus there. And then goes the clamp on top. Alright, we have the terminals hooked up. Let us tighten them now. Alright, we just almost done. We tighten the batteries. Bingo! Let's give it a start. Just closing the door. Alright, let's start. Woo! Now the problem. Now the problem seemed to be the spark plug, because I could see the cracking sound, which means engine is not able to start the fuel burning. So we'd have to replace the spark plugs now, I guess. Let's check it out. Previously there was just a click sound, tuck tuck tuck. Yeah, let's start now. I know. There you go. Since it has been a while that we had started the engine, and that's why it took so much time to start. But usually if it doesn't start, then that means the spark plugs are gone. You can give it a quick try to see if spark plugs are okay. Let's leave it running for like few minutes, maybe like 5 minutes or so. Then we should be good to go. Woo! Alright. Let's close this guy. Bingo! Let me open the garage door. The smoke is starting to accumulate here. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more updates. And yeah, this is my first experiment in the garage. Let's put it up.